Hello and welcome back guys to Tech Journal 24. Today we are going to do a new review of Dell XPS 13. In this Dell XPS 13 reviews, we will discuss every aspect of Dell XP 13 and its performance. We will capture within few minutes the price, availability, design, performance, battery life, softwares and features. And at last we will discuss about whether to buy it or not to buy it. So let's start. Alright, now Dell XPS 13 for the greatest end specification. You can obtain a 4K 6x10 screen, 16 GB RAM, a 2 TB PCI and NVMe SSD. Now, forced white Indo color and an 11th generation i7 CPU. This configuration is nearly 1000, even more. Nonetheless, costing you 2399 and many more in, like, if you go for a pound, go for every obtaining additional software application pre-install will certainly cost you much more. Let us discuss something about its design. At just 0.58 inches, almost 14.8 mm at its thickness, the XPS 13 is exceptionally thin, and also it's 11.6 inches. It's all about 296 mm size and 7.8 inches height, making it extremely portable. So it's an excellent ultrabook to throw in your bag when you are on a go, something that might not be the most relevant function at the moment. However, it'll be equally as simple as lug around the house with you, more from area to area. The keyboard is your standard laptop particular key layout, but the XPS makes full use of offered room, running the keyboard nearly edge to edge, which offers it a good sense of vital spacing. The tricks are backlit with soft white light and also are both receptive and have sufficient trouble to feel. Among the locations that usually often give up in an ultrabook is the variety of available ports. When it comes with the XPS 13, you will have simply 4 in overall: 2 USB Type-C, Thunderbolt 4 port, which features billing capability, and also display port output for as much as 2 external screens, a headphone microphone combination jack, and also a micro SD card port. The audio speaker on the bottom of the case fired downwards, which have actually stated 1,000 times prior to normal, make for bad audio quality. This is truly the only significant concern we have with the style of the XPS 13. But we don't hold it versus too much. If we talk about the performance, the previous iteration of the Dell XPS 13 we evaluated previously this year was essentially identical to this, with the exception of the 10th generation i7 as well as the Intel Iris and also graphic, but the efficiency dive was considered. Clearly, the current XP 13 isn't just an elegance, it's likewise a little monster too. Now let's come to the battery life. The Dell XP 13 sporting activities of 4 cells, 52 watt per hour battery, greatly because of Intel Evo. Okay, it still handles to do somewhat much better than the instant predecessors in regard to battery life. Those two tests are somewhat apple to pear comparison though. So a much better tell is HD Flick test, where the most recent XP3 latest lasted 11 hours and 1 minute to the previous version 9 hours and also 40 minutes. That's nearly a length of a standard rom-com. So pressing another viewing out of the battery is an obvious enhancement. We will have a look on software and features. The XPS does feature an IR webcam as well as Windows Hide, so it can log you in with a fast face check, making it as basic to log in as it is to open the cover. For added safety and security, there's fingerprint scanner constructed into the power button over the backspace, secret if you are so likely. Now we will talk about whether to buy it or shouldn't buy it. Okay, so I don't find any reason, like you are really into the good screen, so there is no reason to not to buying it, okay, if you have fun to invest. Now, why shouldn't we buy it? Okay, if you are searching for spending plain gadget, then this is not for you, because this is the premium laptop computer, so there is no question about it. Now, if you guys have any questions, go down below and comment, and we will be coming up with interesting features and reviews in our coming videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more of these videos.